Hey everyone, this is Paul with Wondershare Filmstock, and today I have another effects pack for you, something that's going to really bring out the James Bond 007 within you. This is the Agent Filmora pack. This pack can be found within the standard library of your subscription. Simply log into your account, click download, and you're ready to start editing. Links to the pack can also be found in the description below. Make sure you go and check them out as well. Now there's some really cool titles and effects within this pack. So if you're creating content for like spy, sort of agent sort of content, this pack will definitely complement your video. And I'm going to quickly show you now the video that I've been working on and how I put that together. Okay, so we're here guys in Filmora 10. I have my media here, videos, a little bit of music here as well, which I downloaded from YouTube from the free music library. It's royalty free. And obviously down here on the timeline I have some of the footage in there, the music, and some other bits from the Filmora pack. But we're going to fill in the sort of the beginning part. So I had a sort of a 5-second countdown effect, which is pretty cool. Agent Filmora pack. But on here, I found a really cool title pack in the Filmora pack, and that is this one. This is fantastic. I think it goes really well with the music. You'll see in a moment when I play the full video. But yeah, this looks so good. And obviously you can edit this because at the minute it says Agent Filmora pack. So I want to edit that. Let me just stop that. Double click. And these are all the texts that appear through the process. So I want agent to stay like that. I want to change Filmora to stock. So this person is called Agent Stock. And then pack, I'm going to change to, you guessed it, Mission Possible. Yeah, click OK. And there we go. Yeah. We have Agent Stock Mission Impossible. Famous Agent Stock. Okay, and then we go into the next scene, and I used an overlay here. You can see around the edge of the video there, an overlay. That was pretty nice. And then we need to introduce the character, just to let everyone know who the character is, because it could be anyone. So we've got a lower third title here. Drag that down to about there. Okay, and it says upper title at the moment, but we can double click this. The lower text I'm not going to have, so I'm going to remove that. Upper title, I'm just going to call him Agent Stock. That's him, that's his name. And then I'm going to sort out the X and Y axes just to bring it down at the bottom left hand corner. Ooh, there we go. Click OK, and there we go. So that introduces the character, Agent Stock. There we go, Agent Stock. Now we can use a transition to blend the next clip. So if we go to transitions, Filmora pack, they've got this like camera shutter effect in there, which we can incorporate into the video. So onto the next scene, the camera shutter closes and opens and then reveals the next scene. And then we have another cut here, and we can drag and drop this transition there. It is literally drag and drop with this. And if you want to edit, you double click and edit, simple as that. And then we get into a bit more here where Agent Stock is sitting down and interviewing someone, and we have the obviously the audio recorder and stuff going around there, which I've put in there from the Agent Filmora pack. Really cool. I really enjoyed making this one. But yeah, that is pretty much it, and this is the finished product. And there you have it. The contents in that effects pack definitely complemented the video I created for this spy agent topic. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do smash that subscribe button. Also give the video a like as well, that would be fantastic. Links to this pack will be in the description below as well. I hope this video has inspired you or given you ideas to use on your project. But until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.